Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. This is Kalam and in this video I'm totally explore you to amazing text to image generator. It's absolutely free. Just drag and drop then your image or art are ready. So if you are beginner, don't worry, watch full video because every second are very important. Let's start. At first I'm going to adobeplaywright.com. Then here's a lots of option, text to image, then image to image, then today I'm explore text to image. So you need to log in here, just put your Gmail or email, that's enough. Then this is option, describe the image if you want to. So I write past this one. So this is my prompt. You can write any prompt, this does not matter. So here is the four option. Number one, landscape. Number two, portrait. Number three, square. And number four, wide scale. So I want to use landscape mode. Here is the four type of content you are able to create. Number one, none. Number two, photo. Number three, graphics. And number four, art. So I want to generate photo. If you are able to create a four type of content if you want. So here's a lots of effects, so I don't need to change anything here. I'm waiting for this image, just wait a few seconds. This is the processing time. Oh my god, you can see this is a really beautiful and look like fantastic. So I really like it. So oh my god, it's really beautiful. So I want to download this photo, just click download button. So if I want to convert this photo in art, just click number four option. That's enough. So if I want to convert this photo into art, just click here for art. So I want to generate another photo, just type another option. I write another prompt. You can write anything here, this doesn't matter. So I want to generate photo, just type generate photo. Oh, really nice. You can see this is a fourth option for photo create me this tool. So it's really nice. So I want to download this photo. So I'm going to now another option and another tool. So you can see this is a Lexica.ai. It's help to create some millions of free AI art, photo and design, etc. Lots of options, lots of photo or art you can download. It's free. So I write a prompt here. Example of this is my prompt. Just click Charles. You don't need to log in here. You don't need any requirement here. Just drag and drop. Then your template are ready. Oh, this Lexica tool create lots of design for me, and I want to choose this one. This is really good. Then click download button. Wow, this is another one. So you can what type of photo you want to generate, just type here, that's enough. Then your design are ready. So if you want to more video about this type of chat GPT, make money online, how to create animation video, etc, please comment below.